The civil justice system. When someone suffers harm because of another's negligence, getting justice can feel overwhelming. Arkansas's civil justice system is designed to help individuals resolve those disputes and seek fair compensation. From car accidents to slip and falls, this process is central to holding others accountable and making sure victims get the support they need. The civil justice system in Arkansas exists to resolve non-criminal disputes between individuals or entities. It operates on an adversarial model, where a plaintiff brings a case against a defendant before a judge or jury. The burden of proof rests with the plaintiff, who must prove the case by a preponderance of the evidence, meaning the claim is more likely true than not. This standard makes it more accessible than criminal courts, which require proof beyond a reasonable doubt. When it comes to personal injury, plaintiffs must show that the defendant had a duty of care, breached that duty, and caused damages. If successful, the court may award monetary damages for pain and suffering, medical bills, lost wages, and more. Unlike criminal cases, civil claims can also be brought against corporations that fail to protect the public, making the civil justice system the only real way to hold those entities responsible. Civil and criminal courts serve different purposes. Civil courts focus on restitution, while criminal courts enforce punishment. Civil plaintiffs only need to prove their case is more likely than not true, while prosecutors in criminal trials must meet the much higher standard of beyond a reasonable doubt. Civil courts also deal with corporate misconduct that the criminal system might not address. So is the civil justice system fair? While no legal system is perfect, Arkansas's civil courts are built on principles like impartial adjudication and equal opportunity to present evidence. These principles aim to ensure every party has a fair chance at resolution, whether they're up against a neighbor or a national corporation. In personal injury cases, it's common to ask how the system works from start to finish. The process begins with legal standing. Plaintiffs must show they suffered a real injury, that the injury was caused by the defendant's actions, and that the court can offer a remedy. Next comes filing the claim, usually within a 3-year window in Arkansas for personal injury matters. The pre-trial phase includes discovery, where attorneys use depositions, interrogatories, and document requests to build the case. Attorneys may also file motions to shape the case, asking courts to dismiss it, compel discovery, or even rule without a trial if the facts are uncontested. Many civil cases resolve through settlements, but some go to trial. In those situations, jurors are selected, evidence is presented, and a verdict is rendered based on the law and facts. Alternative dispute resolution, such as mediation or arbitration, also plays a big role. Mediation is a voluntary and confidential process that can lead to customized agreements. Arbitration, on the other hand, results in a binding decision from a neutral third party. Both approaches can save time, money, and stress compared to trial. If the plaintiff wins, the court may award different types of damages. Economic damages cover quantifiable losses like medical expenses, while non-economic damages account for things like emotional distress. In rare cases, punitive damages may apply to punish especially reckless behavior. Even after a case concludes, there are post-trial procedures. Parties can appeal if they believe a legal error occurred. Winning a judgment doesn't always mean immediate payment either. Enforcement tools like wage garnishment or property liens may be used to collect the money owed. A lawyer is essential throughout this process. A qualified attorney can manage deadlines, handle legal filings, and represent the injured party during negotiations or court proceedings. Whether in trial or mediation, attorneys help ensure fair treatment and equal footing, especially when facing large insurance companies or corporate defendants. The civil justice system in Arkansas offers a clear path for individuals to recover damages and hold wrongdoers accountable. If you've been harmed by someone else's negligence, acting quickly can make all the difference. To explore your legal options, contact Gates Law Firm, PLLC at 501-779-8091 or visit us at 2725 Cantrell Road No. 105, Little Rock, Arkansas, 72202, United States. We're here to help you move forward.